Hi, my name's Frank Canova Jr. I'm the president of Diablo Valley Cabinetry. We supply cabinetry for the whole home. We work with clients to come up with a design and to select the product that they're looking to include in their kitchen remodel or the cabinetry that they're looking to design for all areas of the home.
I established Diablo Valley Cabinetry in 1982 with the intention of creating a company that was focused on the local community, committed to doing kitchen and other home projects with our clients, and really to establish that we could provide them with a service that would actually create the vision that they had in their mind for their project.
We're different in the personal approach we take. We really try to listen to the customer. We try to understand what the goals are that they're trying to accomplish, how we can educate them, talk them through considerations for the layout, and also give them a good understanding of what to expect throughout the process.
We did a project for a young family here in Danville who was doing a whole house remodel, and there were a lot of complicated parts to the project, and they were struggling to develop a vision that would really establish the way they live as a family. So we worked with them gradually over a period of time, and we gave them some ideas, and we came up with a final plan that we felt would really incorporate how they lived and how they enjoyed their home into this new remodel. It worked. They were very, very satisfied, and one of the gratifying parts at the end of the project is we have a picture of the whole family and kids around the kitchen island, living in the kitchen the way they had thought originally and would have liked it to be.
I invite you to call our office today and to schedule an appointment with a member of our team here to start your next project.